What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day. Today, got something new for you guys. Probably a common problem that a lot of people come by. Wheel bearings. So we're going to talk a little bit about those. Alrighty. So, you got your 12 wides, your big negative 44, 76, whatever you got offset. And, it's inevitable. You're going to have a wheel bearing go bad. Finally, and I do believe, as far as I know, that these are the stock wheel bearings on this thing. They finally went. And with that being said, there's only one, in my opinion at least, one way to go with this. And they're the best in the business. They've been around for a few years now. I run all their parts on my whole front end, everything, and their warranty is just exceptional. And I've dealt with it firsthand multiple times. Not the product's fault, but more my stupidity other than anything else, which that's coming up in a different video. We'll talk about that. But, so who am I talking about? Of course, Kryptonite. They've stood behind me no matter what, even though a lot of stuff is just me being stupid. But, that's what makes a great company. So, here we got, see here, Duramax store, it's where I got it. Kryptonite products. Best of the best. Don't need none of that crap. Don't need that. Here we go. Here it is. Right there. So that's what we're going to be putting in this thing today. Comes with all new sensor. And right there, that's one of the reasons why their bearings are great. They're running a Timken bearing in this wheel bearing. So, new wheels also, if you guys haven't picked up on that. We're going to get started here. I'm going to, possibly, if it's bad enough, I'll try and show you the slop in it. If not, we're just going to get right into it. Let's see if we can't show you guys any of the play here. Get old Big Daddy out here. So, one of the easiest ways to test for this, kind of just, jack it up, inch or so off the ground, get yourself a big freaking pry bar, and then let's see if we can't. Alright. So you can't see it, but I can actually hear a little bit of noise in there. One of the other telltale signs is, when you're going down the road and it's just the whole way, and then you get on a big turn on the highway and it goes perfectly quiet like it should be, you got a bad wheel bearing. Show you guys a fancy little tool I think everybody should have. It's a little ratchet deal here. It goes on a breaker bar. Pretty nifty. Here you guys go. It's crazy though, because it really didn't get bad until like a week ago, and I ordered the bearing as soon as I heard it start to, at least for me, start to notice it get bad, because I run the highway every day for work. So yeah, that's crazy how bad that, or how fast that went bad. But like I said, I think I'm pretty sure they're OEM. Ooh, that's nasty. Yeah. Replace your wheel bearings. I didn't really record putting it back on, but very straightforward. Grease the inside where that O-ring's at, and put the bolts through. Those go to 133. Axle nut on. That goes to 177. And then the caliper bolts are 221, but there it is. Just there we go. I just got a text, and if you guys saw the last couple videos, I don't even remember when because I recorded them forever ago. You know that we got some animals here. Horse, donkey, and to go along with that, you know, you got barn cats. Don't really know where they're at. But anyways, my text said that we have kittens. So we had one of our, well, both of our cats, females I should say, are pregnant. I'm trying to find them. All right, so we had this little thing we made for them when they were kittens. Actually, we've had these cats for only about a year, but here's one of them. We got 3, the 2 orange and a black. That wheel bearing might have been bad a little longer than I thought. This thing just, it's so much quieter going down the road, it's crazy. So if you like the video, subscribe, smash the like button, and we'll see you